Hi, thanks for contacting me. Here I'm going to show you the steps I outlined to you. Okay, beginning on the library homepage, we're going to go ahead and start by clicking on Articles and Databases. Okay, now go over and click the letter W. Okay, now scroll down until you find WorldCat. Click that. Now, once you're on the WorldCat homepage, go to the top right corner here under Sign In, click this arrow, and then enter Seattle, and then enter that and update the location. And then in the middle of the page with the search bar between items and search, go ahead and enter Vivaldi, the Red Priest, and search. Okay. Now, it's not quite how you word, but it has much of the same title wording. Antonio Vivaldi, the the Red Priest of Venice. Well, to check to see if it's even in Seattle, let's go ahead and click on it. Okay, and go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and then you'll see the Seattle Public Library, pretty close, and then University of Washington libraries a little bit further, but still in Seattle, and the rest you start or locations even further and further away. So um, if you have any other questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you. Thanks.